was almost psychotic. Many of you want to live life like let's really be honest. You want to accomplish something great. You want to be great in life. You want to be able to make 20, 30, 40, $50,000 profit every single month, right? I get it. But the crazy part about it is many of you want the things that you want it handed to you. You think it's just going to fall in your life. You think somebody's going to knock on the door, like, yo, hey, bro, I know you've been wanting this. I'm going to give it to you. They don't work like that. I get it. You see Mr. Beast videos. You see all these prank videos. You see all these people videos that they just be giving random people money. I get it. And you thinking that's going to happen to you. It's crazy because small ideas would keep you small.
Man, you are really encouraging me, motivating me, inspiring me. God is really using you to help me out.
What's going on, family? I want to welcome you to AOS, the podcast. I'm your host, Mr. AOS Inspires. This is what I need you to do. We're on every single platform, TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, Facebook. I need you to go and subscribe and follow us right now. We drop content every single day that'll help you with your life, because our mission here at AOS, the podcast, is to empower the world to never give up, one conversation at a time, one interview at a time, one video at a time, to help you live life at the next level. I want you to live life on the next level. I want to say thank you to each and every one of you that's watching this episode. This is going to be a dynamic episode. I need you to dive in. Do me a big favor. I need you to like, share, and comment. Don't be a stranger. Comment with us. And this is what I need you also to do. I need you to copy this link right here on this podcast, this episode, and share it with at least 10 of your friends. I promise you, it's going to help them out. Let's jump into the episode. What's going on, family? I want to welcome you to another episode of AOS, the podcast. This is 5 minutes of motivation. Every single Friday, we drop a motivational video, either entrepreneurial, relationship, something to get your gears running to prepare for the weekend. Now, today I want to talk about something deep. Small ideas will keep you small. And it's crazy because many of you hang with people that you feel comfortable with. Let's really be honest, right? Have you ever noticed that if you put a koi fish in a small tank, the koi fish would never get to its full potential size? It can't. Why? Because their environment is not allowing them to grow. That's why, if you go to a fish store and you try to get fish, this is what they tell you. Don't get too many fish. And they normally say 2 to 3 fish per tank, depending on the size of the tank. But a regular size tank, I want to say like 40 gallons, 50 gallons, right? It's feasible for 3 fish. Why? Because you want them to reach their maximum potential of growth. That's the damaging part about you all. You're choking out your potential because you're hanging with people that is not on the next level. You're hanging with people that's really, let's really be honest, that's beneath you. I'm not saying that you're better than them, but you have accomplished way more than them. Many of you are scared to hang around, or you're intimidated to hang around people that are smarter than you, that are richer than you, that look better than you, that have more going on than you. Those are the people that you really need to hang with. I need to hang with people. I love being What's going on, family? I know that you're enjoying the episode, but I had to pause to ask you a quick question. Have you ever been through anything in life that was so life-altering that it changed your life forever? I mean, have you ever been and had a job and you lost that job? I mean, your dream job. You lost that job for whatever reason. Maybe you're an entrepreneur. You started a business and the business started off great, and then it seemed as if it was going downhill. And now you're at a place, you lost your marriage, you lost your children, you lost some major things in your life. And now you're at a place in life where you're like, hey, this is the end of the road. I don't see it getting better. I got news for you. It will get better. And I wrote a book just for you. It's entitled Winning After a Major Loss. You need to go and get your copy. Go to barnesandnoble.com, go to amazon.com, get your copy right now. Winning After a Major Loss. I promise you, it's going to change the trajectory of your life. It's going to change your mindset. Most importantly, it's going to change your heart about your situation, because I promise you, you can win after a major loss. Go get your copy now. Barnes & Noble's, amazon.com. Order your copy now. Let's get back to the episode. It made me look at my situation and be like, yo, brother, I ain't doing nothing in life. Those are the type of people that you need. Not saying that they're stunting on you, right? The truth of the matter is the conversation is going to be different. The connection is going to be different. There's going to be certain things that you would do around people that you feel like you're better than or that you're doing better in life. There's certain things that you'll do around them versus the people that's doing way better than you that you won't do around them. Let's keep it all the way above. There's going to be certain things that you will not do around the company that's really getting it, that's really living life at the next level. There's certain conversations that you won't have. And I'm gonna tell you this: when you hang around people that you feel comfortable around, your small ideas will become their big ideas. Or better yet, let's change it like this. Your small ideas will be a big ideas to them. Not saying that they'll take your idea, but your small ideas, yeah, man, I want to run a company. I want to make about $100,000 a month, right? And to them, because you're this big person to them, because you're doing so much better than them, right? You're in a better space in life than they are. So your small ideas will be their big ideas. They'll be like 100 grand a month. Oh man, they can't even fathom $10,000 a month, let alone 100 grand a month. So 100 grand a month, you say that, they're like, oh man, that's good, right? But if you get around somebody that's greater than you, that's better than you, like get your ego out the way. The first thing they're gonna say is 100 grand. That's all that you want. Like I make 100 grand in a day. Those are the people that you really need to be around that make you feel so small, that make you just look at life and say, what am I doing with my life? Like, am I wasting time? Like, I really need to start grinding hard. Really need to start putting in work. Those are the type of people that you need to hang around, because small ideas is going to keep you small. Until you hang around people or be around people or in the atmosphere of people that make you dream bigger, that make you look at life from a different perspective, that make you look at 100 grand like it's pennies, right? You need people that's going to push you to like, go get that $5 million this year. Go get that 2 million. Like, and it's crazy because many of you can't wrap your mind around making two to $5 to $10 million a year, because 100 grand is not even in your reach. So you think. Let's really be honest. I remember when I made my first 100 grand for the first year. I was like, yo, I'm doing it. Till somebody else came along that I knew, making 200, making 300, making 400. Life is a lot different, right? So it's not that you hang around people so that you can be the punching bag or the butt of all their jokes. Nah, those are not the type of people that you need to hang around. But you need to hang around some people that are doing better than you so that they can challenge you to be better. You don't need to hang around people that's going to give you handouts, because handouts, now take a hand up, not a hand out. Handouts will only enable you and make you remain at the level that you're currently on, that you currently occupy. Like, I don't want to keep on occupying, even me, the state that I'm in. I don't want to keep, I'm trying to find courses that I can get so that I can elevate and get to the next level. I am not scared to be around people that are greater than I am. I got a lot of growing to do. I know this by the time. I hope this helps you. What's going on, family? I want to say thank you for rocking with us during this episode. We have been so excited to drop this episode. I'm glad that you made it to the end. This is what I want you to do. If you have any takeaways from this episode, leave it in the comments. We want to hear your thoughts. We want to hear how you feel. I want to bring content to you that's relevant to you, that'll help you change your life, because you already know our mission here at AOS Inspires, AOS the podcast, is to empower the world to never give up, one conversation at a time, one interview at a time, one video at a time, to help you live life at the next level. This is what I need you to do. I need you to like, subscribe, share this episode. If it spoke to your life, share this episode with somebody. Why? Because you are connected to some people that we're not connected with. And with that connection together, we can empower the world to never give up. I'm Mr. AOS Inspires. This is AOS the podcast. I can't wait to see you next week. Just in case you didn't know, we drop every single week, 3 times a week. Mondays, 8 a.m., Wednesdays, 8 a.m., and Fridays, 8 a.m. You need to catch an episode. Matter of fact, catch all 3 episodes. It's going to be fire. I promise you it's going to help you doing your everyday life. It's going to help you get to the next level. Let's go.